Can we do it?
Stop cleaning your house. Start programming it. For the ultimate hands-free clean, you need a robot vacuum that doesn't just wander. It plans, it maps, and it conquers. This is the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The smarter, stronger way to a spotless home. Powered by Shark's AI laser vision, this robot doesn't miss a thing. It intelligently navigates your home, avoiding objects and furniture with precision, creating detailed home maps of your entire space. And for the deepest clean, it utilizes Matrix Clean technology, cleaning in a tight, overlapping grid pattern to ensure no spot is missed, delivering a powerful deep clean performance that other robots simply can't match. Tired of emptying the bin? The AV2501S solves that problem with the HEPA bagless self-empty base. After every mission, the robot automatically docks and empties itself into the base, which holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. That's a month of cleaning freedom. The HEPA filtration captures dust and allergens, making it ideal for a healthier home. If you have shedding companions, this vacuum is perfect for pet hair. Its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll work together to pull embedded hair and dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. With smart Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and customize your cleaning from anywhere using the Shark Clean app, setting no-go zones or scheduling whole house cleans. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in its sleek dark gray finish. It's not just a vacuum, it's a fully automated cleaning system designed for modern life. Stop vacuuming. Start living. Bring the AI Ultra Robot home today.